Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sascha.Chatman, your KW Tech Jedi, and I'm bringing you guys another video about Placester. You see, what happened was I thought I made a video about creating a Placester page, and I'm sure I did, but I can't find it. So let me drop y'all a real quick video, real short and quick. But before we get into the video, you know what I want you to do. Make sure you hit that like button, all right? Make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification bell, all right? So you get notified when I make another video. All right, now, if you're on KW Connect, make sure you invite me to your referral network and you go to my YouTube channel and you subscribe. There's more content on my YouTube channel than just stuff I send to you guys. So beg, borrow, and steal, I don't care. All right, guys, let's get it.
I love real estate.
Okay, guys, so when you want to create a page, first thing you have to do is be on the back end of Placester. All right, so on the back end of Placester, click on Edit Site. From there, you're going to go into Pages. All right, now let me explain how this works. Once you click on plus, you get to the page. Now, what type of page do you want? Now, 90% of the time, I am using a default page. Okay. Now, let me explain this as well as I'm going through this. I am going to have more features than you guys have because I have the upgraded version of Placester. Okay, I'll make a video about the upgraded version of Placester because I think it's real worth it. It is awesome. You can do a whole lot more with it. I always use the default page for the most part. Okay, so once you do that, now you're in there. Okay, so now here's the thing about it. Placester really doesn't allow you to do a whole lot of things with it in terms of making it pretty. But I'm going to go over the basic functionality. All right, so you would put your title here. We'll just call this page 1 for an example. All right, and now here you have different formats. So if you're doing your heading, I would title it right here in the heading, if you will, page 1, blah, 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 right? And then you can start playing with the different type of font that you want. So you want to make sure it's going to be big enough because remember, you're optimizing your website for a mobile phone. You're not trying to be on desktop because we're the ones on desktop. Our clients are on their phones. Keep that in mind. All right. Obviously, with any text here, this will bold it, italicize it, and underline it. Then you get your bullet points and so forth. Okay. Now, you can indent as well. Now, I only do that if I'm doing a quote, but the things that I use the absolute most. For example, let's say, I'll just go to YouTube channel here. Here's my YouTube channel. I'm going to copy that over. I'll go back here, and I'm going to throw in a link. I throw links in all the time. So I click on the insert hyperlink. I just take that out, and I Control V or copy and paste, whichever one you do. And I'll put that in there. Now, I will put in here in text my YouTube channel. That is going to basically tell them what it is, really, whatever you want in the text that's going to come up. I can't spell when you guys are watching. All right, so insert. Now if I click on it, it's going to take it to my YouTube channel. Boom. All right. Now if I want to add a picture, that's self-explanatory. I can drag it in there, or I can just choose file for whatever weird reason. Let's put that on. Sometimes if you drag it in, it'll come upside down, and I don't even understand why, but it just will. Here is where you can align the text. I don't really mess with it that much, honestly. I just save it and I'm good to go. Now, cool thing. Let's say you want to grab and drag in a YouTube channel. Embed the video. It wants the embed code. So we're going to go to share. And when we click on share, we're going to click on the embed button. And we're going to grab this code. Now, if you mess with the features in here and start changing things, it will change the video. So be careful what you do. Don't do anything, basically. Take that code, copy it, and then go back to your Placester page. And Control V. When you do that, your video is in there. It's really just that simple. So I throw videos in there all the time. Make sure you give a good meta title and description, and you save it. And boom, you then have a page. Make sure you check out my other video that I have out there about Placester hacks, because Placester doesn't allow you to change the font and the text. What I really do, guys, I just don't have time in this video here, is I will create what I want in a Word document in terms of text and colors and things of that nature to give my page some really cool looking insights. All right, so let's give you guys a good example of one of my pages here. All right, guys, here's one of my internal pages here that I have on the CRG open house. And it's just a page that we have to show how we're a little bit different, how we do our open houses. The video here kind of features the entire family of what we do. First, you see Stephanie walking in here. Hey, go on YouTube, watch the video, like, subscribe it. It's all good. My beautiful wife. But I optimize this to look like for my phone. I'm not worried about how it's going to look and everything else. So if I shrink this down to a mobile view, this is what they're going to see. The video, some text, all right, another video, and a picture. I keep this in mind when I design my page. You should do the exact same thing. Optimize your website to look good on mobile, okay? So anyway, check out my website. Go to Chatman Realtor Group. Get you guys some really good ideas. Once again, if you're watching over here on YouTube, make sure you like, you subscribe, and you hit that notification bell. Make sure, also, drop me some comments, guys. If there's something that you want to know, I will address those comments. Hit me up in the comment section on YouTube and let me know, hey, Sascha, how do you do this? How do you do that? Or let me know what videos you guys want. I'm willing to give you guys the content if you tell me what you want. I'm just saying, what do you want? All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go sell some houses.